squeezing somebody's hand. It's not about helping nobody. They say they helping people, but they really not though. You know, we just here to fend for ourselves, which we do pretty good. But at the end of the day, you have foreigners come over here. They get all the help in the world. You feel me? We live here. We live here. They turn houses down like crazy. To do what? Build houses for white people. Because black people not going to be able to afford whatever they build.
Absolutely.
You know? I mean, it's sad, but...
That's true.
It's sad, but they don't care about us. You know? They really don't. They don't care about our kids in school. You know, our kids is not even
Now they
getting a
start
proper
cleaning up.
education.
They start cleaning up
You
and
know?
stuff in alleys and stuff. Now, since Trump said what he said about the city, they coming around starting to make sure the alleys and everything's clean now. Getting the trash and all that stuff down.
I mean,
yeah.
they just doing that because
he-
they got
yeah.
fire under their feet. But after a month or two, that stuff will go right back to how normal it is. Like, they don't care about us.
And I was asking before, you know, 16 billion was giving in federal money to Baltimore City in the past few years. Now we've seen upgrades to Harbor East. We've seen upgrades to the Inner
That's
Harbor.
what it's about.
Have you seen upgrades here?
Only
Never.
Thing, no,
Never.
Only thing they do building
Look
is
at our
schools.
streets. Look at our sidewalks. Just take a look at where the people that got wheelchairs, how they gonna get up on that curb right there? They can't. They can't. We got potholes where rats, you can walk by, a rat will come out the pothole. Behind my house is a big hole in the concrete alley that we all had to chip in and pay. It just caved in. You feel me? But the city not worried about that big hole, and that's where the rats come out at. Right there
They
at
use that 16
1506,
billion for
behind
something
my
else.
house.
They use that 16 billion for downtown. They
It's
use
always
it,
been, listen,
yeah.
before the harbor even came, I've been around a long time. Before the harbor even came, yeah, they used to have Operation Champ. They used to do things in the community. That's why I said in the 80s. This year, and this,
the 80s and the early 90s, yeah.
you know, like in the 70s,